How to create a read-only channel in Discord on Android. This tutorial shows you how to set up a channel where members can only view messages but not send any. First, open the Discord app on your Android device. After that, tap on your server from the left side panel. From there, tap on the channel name you want to make read-only or create a new one by tapping the plus icon next to a category. At this point, tap on the Settings option and select Roles from the menu that appears. In the next step, tap on Everyone. Once done, scroll through the permissions list and find Send Messages. Tap the toggle icon next to it to deny that permission. Finally, go back to your server and the channel will now be read-only. Members can view all messages but won't be able to type or send anything in it. And that's it. If this guide helped you set up a read-only channel in Discord, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.